Does your Craftsman-style home feel more like a forgotten corner than a welcoming retreat? You're not alone. Many homeowners love the charm of Craftsman architecture, but aren't sure how to highlight it. Here's the truth. You don't need a contractor or a massive budget to bring out its full beauty. With just a few smart design updates, your Craftsman exterior can become one of the most beloved spaces in your home. Whether it's coffee mornings on the porch, family game nights, or quiet evenings under the stars, this space can be your new favorite room. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful Craftsman exterior ideas to take your home from plain to polished. Stick around, because the last one might just be the most magical of them all.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Natural wood and stone accents. Let's kick off with natural wood and stone accents, the heart of Craftsman design. Stone bases for porch columns instantly ground your home with rustic elegance. Wooden beams, pergolas, and gables add warmth and character. Even small touches like wood-trimmed shutters or stone porch steps can elevate your exterior. Real-life story. One homeowner swapped basic vinyl posts for tapered stone columns with cedar beams. The result? Their once ordinary house became the block's showstopper. Why it works. Natural textures highlight Craftsman architecture while creating a timeless, welcoming feel. If you love the mix of stone and wood, hit that like button and share this video with a friend who's planning a home makeover. Tapered porch columns. Nothing says Craftsman like tapered porch columns. Wide bases create a strong foundation. Narrow tops draw the eye upward, making the porch feel taller and more elegant. For a modern twist, try painting the base in a contrasting color. Design tip: pair tapered columns with square railings for a bold, classic look. Which would you choose? Stone bases or all wood columns? Drop your pick in the comments. Wide overhanging eaves. Next up, wide overhanging eaves. These aren't just decorative, they add shade, protect your siding, and give that signature Craftsman silhouette. Pro tip: add exposed rafter tails for authenticity. It's a detail many overlook, but it makes a huge difference. Bonus: install subtle under-eave lighting to create a cozy glow in the evenings. Tell me, what's your dream porch vibe? Movie night, date night, or family dinner? Earth tone color palettes. Color sets the mood, and Craftsman homes thrive in earth tone palettes. Warm browns and tops create an inviting classic look. Greens and sages connect your home with nature. Rich grays and charcoals give a modern yet timeless twist. pro styling tip: accent your trim in crisp white or dark brown for contrast. Comment below. Are you team earthy neutrals or team bold contrast? Decorative doors and windows. Finally, let's talk about decorative doors and windows, the jewelry of a craftsman home. A solid wood front door with stained glass instantly elevates curb appeal. Multi-pane windows framed with thick trim feel both historic and cozy. Add window boxes with seasonal flowers for a warm, inviting touch. Bonus: these features not only boost style but also bring more natural light inside. For my list of the best Craftsman-style doors and windows, check the description below. So here's the big question. Is your Craftsman-style home showing off its charm, or hiding in plain sight? You don't need a full renovation. Just start with one of these: natural wood and stone accents, tapered porch columns, wide overhanging eaves, earth tone color palettes, decorative doors and windows. Each one adds character, warmth, and timeless beauty, making your outdoor space just as personal as your indoor one. So tell me, which idea would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly design inspiration and outdoor living tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.